How to use and set up Cloudflare WARP 1.1.1. For that, just open your browser and search for Cloudflare WARP. After that, go to the Cloudflare website. If you don't find it here, you can just click on this or just go to the website 1.1.1. Here we go. Here on Cloudflare website. Then select your preferred device. Like I'm on Windows, I'll click on Windows. Hit save. Wait for it to download. After it downloads, just wait for it. Hit install, and after that we'll install Cloudflare 1 client, and then we can just connect it. To be honest, it will ask for admin perms as every setup does. Just do that, hit yes, wait for it. It's removing the older version if you have any and doing all the good stuff. So by the way, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and like, because that helps a lot. After that, go to your taskbar and here in show hidden icons, hit there. You'll see Cloudflare 1 client. Just hit that and it will pop up. Now you can go through settings and all. If you want to change the mode to DNS only or traffic and DNS both, you can disable for wired network for these and all that. You can configure it. You can split the tunnels, local domain, everything. And here's after that, we'll just go to home, hit connect, and here we go. It's gonna perform some checks and all. Then you'll see it will be connected as a different connection in your here. You can also check here to the bottom right, the Cloudflare. No internet access, but we'll wait for it to connect. And please connect quick, man. What the heck? Keep waiting. It's at 91% and it's doing its thing, whatever it's doing. Not taking your data, don't worry about that. This is a trusted website. And now you can see Cloudflare WARP internet access. If it gets stuck on 91%, just restart your computer, then hit connect again. Then it will work. You have to restart if it's stuck at 26 or 91%. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.